Hello and welcome back to another VA Outdoorsman. As promised on my blogs, today we're going to do some home maintenance on our new home that we recently purchased. We're looking at a double-sided keyed Schlage deadbolt that does not have any accessible screws on either of the faceplates. So stick around and I'll show you how to remove this tricky deadbolt. Alright, I have a double-sided keyed Schlage, of which I have already peeled off the cap on both sides. And yes, there are no screw holes on either side. No screws. So, this is not like your typical Schlage that everyone else has videos on. You have to remove the deadbolt plate. And if you notice, right there and right there, there's a small hole that can fit an Allen key right through. Okay, so now you have to have the bolt closed. Allen key goes all the way in. Turn it to the left. Okay, and you should now be able, yes, turn key face loose. The other side is not spinning. You can see where I've marred it all up. There we go. No screws. So that's how you get it out. I'm going to do the other side now. Move lefty loosey. Loose. And turn the face. That's how it's done, folks. Just like that. Thanks for watching.